Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adnan bin Azhar. My matrix number is 2019-248758 and I am from class CS1104C.
My name is Muhammad Muiz Mustaqim bin Barisham. My matric number 2019-433732 and I from class CS1104C.
My name is Muhammad Hifzan bin Azma Fizal. My matric number is 2019-282328. I am from class CS1104C.
My name is Muhammad Shakir bin Shukri. My student ID is 2019434914 and I am from class CS1104C.
Hello and welcome. This is our webpage. Our webpage name is TEDAcore. This is our group member. First is Muhammad Shakir bin Muhammad Shukri. Second is Muhammad Hifzan bin Azma Fizal. Third is Muhammad Adnan bin Azhar. And lastly is Muhammad Muiz Mustaqim bin Badrul Hisham. First menu for our webpage is about. The name of our company is TEDAcore. Our company are providing services such as repairing customers and client electronic devices, hardware, software and supplying repair parts for our customer devices. Our primary objective is providing a service that will ease our customers and enhance their experience of fixing their electronic devices. TEDAcore are providing the best services by allowing our customer to make appointment to repair their devices within their own free time. The second menu for our webpage is product. As you can see, there are many computer equipment in this page. And for every computer equipment, they will have product code, description, unit available, price per unit and add to cart button for each product. As you can see, this is responsive web page. To purchase product from our web page, you can click add to cart button and it will show you the view cart menu and your shopping cart. So as you can see, I have add LED monitor for our shopping cart and it will show the quantity for our product. You can add quantity and edit the quantity by clicking at these two buttons. Next, you can continue shopping and add another product to your shopping cart. The total will sum up the cost for each product according to their quantity. For the next step, you need to log in to complete the payment for the shopping cart. So you can click this login button. So for the existing user, you can easily log in by enter email and password for your account. So for the new customer, you need to register at the register menu and fill up all the form correctly. Fill up your first name, last name, address, city, PIN or postcode, enter your email with the correct format, and enter the password for your email and click button register, and it will show you pop up that registration is successful, and click OK to proceed to the next step. After complete the registration, you can log in for the email and password that you have registered earlier. Click the button login, and to complete your purchase from our web page, you can view your chart and click the button ship, so it will show you the success. And next, you can click the my order and you can see your order earlier. Okay, for this session I will show you some wrong information that you need to avoid. First, first of all, you need to enter the email with the right format. You cannot just put the email like this. It will show you we need to enter the email address with the right format. So for this, you need to delete and enter the right email. Other than that, you cannot enter the existing email that the already registered email. So when you click the button register, it will show you the email already exists in database, and you need click OK to the button. Other than that, our webpage also provide appointment menu, so customer can reserve a reservation. You can fill the name, email, telephone number, notes if any, reservation date. You can choose the date of your choice, and what time, evening or morning. And you can submit the form, and reservation is saved. So other than that is contact. For the contact menu, you can fill the form for your name, email and your subject. You can complain any problem or any suggestion that you want to us hear about your problem, and just send the message and it will appear in your email for the response.
Now, we will proceed into the admin section. First, we must log in. The email for the admin is admin@admin.com and the password is admin. After we log in, we have here the section my account. After we hit the my account button, we will see the user record and product record. For the user record, the admin can monitor all the users that had been registered into the website. And the product record is the admin can monitor all the product that had been in the website. So we will start with the user record. Okay, in the user record, the admin can do a searching the account. Let's see, I want to search the account that had been started with Muhammad, which first name first name Muhammad. So I will filter. So all the account with the first name is Muhammad, it will show here all the account. So let's see, I want to search the city which is in the Teluk Intan. So we had two here, which Muhammad Syakir and Muhammad Muiz. So we filter. So it will show two account here, which is Teluk Intan in the city. Alright. So let's see, I want to edit the user record. I want to edit Muiz Mustaqim user record. So I will change the pin here. 3600 will be 36111, for example. So we hit update. So the Muhammad Muiz, the pin will be changed into the 36111. So the admin can change the user record for the user account. So delete. So after, alright, this user does not exist and we want to delete this account, for example. So we can hit button delete, and then the account will be deleted from our website or our database. So this user record we settle, we go to the product record. So in the product record, we will see several product here, and the admin can change the new quantity of the product. So let's see, I want to change a motherboard, which is, we have here 15 product. No, sorry, we have a 15 quantity of motherboard. So we want to change, we want to add let's see, 5 product, 5 quantity, sorry. So it will be 20 after we update. Let's see if we change to 20. Yes, it changed to 20 here. So the admin can change the new quantity of the product. Alright, let's see what we got here. We can add the product. So in the product, we must fill a product code, T16, product name. I want to add camera here. So description we can add, but for a long description for the product, for short I want to add this camera can zoom about zoom for 4x the pixel. Okay, so we choose the image. So I got here image, this camera, and enter the quantity, which is start with 5 quantity. For each price I want to add, let's say 100. So we hit the upload, data insert successfully, and okay. Let's see. Yes, we got here the camera with the product code, the T16. This camera can be zoomed for 4 times pixel, and the unit available is 5. Let's see what we got here. The search product. The admin can search the product like the admin searching the user record for the account. So we got a several account here, and we want to search the product which is started for camera. We filter. So the product for the camera we will show here. Let's see, we want to search monitor. We filter. So the monitor will appear here. So let's see, the product code started with TA. We want to search. So we start search a TA. So all the product code that start with TA we will show here. Let's see if you want to delete some of the product, which is case I want to delete this camera back. So we hit the delete, and the product for the camera will be deleted from our website or in our database. We will delete it also. So we look back here, product record, and the camera will be gone. So that's all from me for the admin section. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muiz Mustaqim bin Badrisham. This is an application for making appointment. First, click the sign up button to register an account. Fill in all the details that need to be filled. Then press the register button to register an account. Then press the back button. Okay. Now log in using the account we have listed previously. Okay. This is a list of people who have an appointment. To book an appointment, click the add button. Okay. Fill in the name and the date of appointment. Then click the add button. To check our booking, click on the name that has been registered. Okay, for update, you click the edit button to update the new data. Then press the update button. If you want to delete the booking session, click the name registered and click the button delete. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Now I will explain the coding of the appointment section in my system. This is a section where user can reserve an online appointment. So they just need to insert their detail in the form here, like name, email, telephone number, notes for the administrator or the manager, and the reservation date that they want to set, and this is the reservation slot that they want to choose, whether it is in AM or in PM. And this is the submit button. Okay, the reservation data here will be inserted into the reservation table. Wait, okay. This is the reservation table for the input data. Okay, now I will explain the coding behind this form. Okay, here. Okay, this is the coding for the reservation form. Okay, this the include config PHP is to connect our database here, and we have our DB name here. Okay, and this is a HTML code for the header area. Okay, here this button is all in the header coding, which is here. Okay. The about will directly link to the about PHP and so on. Same with product, view card, my orders, and also the appointment, and also contact. All will link to their own PHP. Okay, this function is to detect whether the user is logged in or not. If the user has been logged in, there will be a logout button at the header, which is available because I have been logged in earlier. And else, if the user has not been logged in, the user will be redirect to the register button and the login button, like this. This indicates that the user has not been logged in, so we need to log in back in the system. Okay. Okay. This next we'll go to the reservation process. Okay, this is the function to detect the reservation data. Is if the all of the fields has been inserted here, the reservation will be saved. If not, it will output an error. Okay, this is the coding for the reservation form. This is label name, email, and telephone number, notes, reservation date. This is recording to get the current date, and this is the reservation slot. And this is the submit button. This is our footer. You can see here. Okay, this is the link, href link to our group members. Okay, if we click this logo, it will directly get us to the this group members page. Okay, back to the appointment section. Alright. So next I will explain the reservation function to add the data into the database, which is in reserve PHP. Okay, this is the properties, and this is the constructor to connect to our database. This is the function to close our database connection. Okay, this is the function to save the reservation data into the database. This is our database entry that will insert the reservation data that has been put into its each fields into the reservation table. Here, this is the reservation table. Okay, if the data has been inserted successfully, it will output an message that will alert the user so their data has been inserted. Okay, this is the function to get the reservation for the day, and this is its entry, and lastly this is our database setting. Okay, now I will demo to you how the reservation form works. Okay, firstly I need to input my name. I need to insert my email. Number, notes for the number, and here I can choose any that I want. I will choose in all this. Here I can choose the reservation slot that I want, whether in the morning or in the evening. Okay. Now all the field has been inserted. We can submit the data. Okay. If then this notice came out, it indicates that our data has been saved in the database. So to check if whether the data has been inserted, I will check in the table, and here this is the data that has been inserted. So that is all from me. Thank you so much for listening. Well, and we will proceed to the mobile apps coding. Now we will proceed to the mobile apps to explain this coding behind this add screen. Okay, this add screen function is to insert the user details of reservation, which is name and date, into the database when they click the add button. Okay. This cancel button is to redirect the screen into the list screen, which is this. Okay, the blocks behind the add screen is, okay, firstly I will explain the button cancel code. Here, when button cancel click, which means when it is clicked by the user, it will execute here. The screen, the add screen will hide its keyboard, and then it will open another screen with the start value screen name list, which is this screen that I said earlier. Okay. When the user click button add, it will execute here, same as the cancel button. It will hide its keyboard, and if it checks that the text name box and the text date box is not empty, it will connect to the web 1, which is here, the connection that we set for the mobile app to connect with our database. Okay, here it will join the HTTP and the start value. Our start value is our IP address with the @php. Okay, now I will explain about the @php, which is the query that we need to add the data insert from the apps to the database. Okay, here we have the name and date post, and this is the connection for our database. This is our database name. This is the query to insert our data, which is name and date, into the name and date column. It will insert into the reservation table. I will show you the table. Okay, this is the reservation table. Next, if the result equal to the ID, then it will echo OK and close the connection that we initiate here. We will go to the blocks code. Okay, then after it call the web 1 connection, it will get the text that user has insert, which is name and date, into the database that we initiate here. If the text name and text date box is empty, it will call a notifier, which is it will show a show alert that will say, please insert your name and reservation date. Okay, that is all that I have to explain about the add screen. That is all from me. Thank you.